How to make Keto African Egg Stew. The ingredients: 6 large eggs, 2 medium fresh tomatoes, half medium onion, 2 teaspoon fresh garlic, half cup olive oil, 1 medium red bell pepper, 1 medium jalapeno pepper, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half teaspoon fresh thyme, 1 whole chicken bouillon cube, salt to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Core the tomatoes. Slice the red bell pepper and remove the seeds. Slice half of the onion and jalapeno pepper. 2. In a blender, add the cored tomatoes, sliced red bell pepper, onion, and jalapeno pepper. Blend for a few seconds. 3. Mince the garlic and slice the other half of the onion. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the olive oil and saute the garlic and sliced onion for about 1 minute. 5. Meanwhile, in a bowl, whip up the eggs. 6. Pour the blended tomatoes into the frying pan. Stir while simmering for about 5 minutes. 7. Add the jalapeno, curry powder, thyme, and chicken bouillon cube. Stir this together and let sit for about 2 to 4 minutes more. 8. Pour in the eggs. Let cook for about 2 to 3 minutes without stirring. Then, stir everything together for about 1 minute. 9. Garnish with a dash of salt and extra thyme. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto African Egg Stew. Each serving comes out to be 388 calories, 35.2 grams fat, 5.1 grams net carbs, and 11.6 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.